Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Arknote Media Global, proudly hosted by Arknote Academy. We're excited to have you here. On this channel, you'll gain access to practical media and tech training sessions and real-world strategies from industry professionals. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And to our returning subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Your enjoying helps us reach more people who are eager to learn and grow just like you.
Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching you on how to use your smartphone to control your OBS operation. So with a click you can go live, with a click you can transit, with a click you can control your audio as well, with many other features. So go on your Play Store and type OBS Studio for Android. Both devices must be connected on the same internet network. So after installation, open it and you would have this. So click on the QR code button and you would have this telling you that you should go to WebSocket server settings on your OBS. So click on tools and click on this WebSocket server settings. So generate the password and you can input your own default password. So enabled authentication. Yeah, so show the barcode so you can scan it with your phone, and you can also just type the IP address on your phone directly. Click on the open camera to scan the QR code, and now we have our smartphone connected to our OBS. So click on the setting and then you can then add some other features to your phone interface, which is your phone OBS controller interface. You understand? So you can just search, scroll and select any one of your choice. So let's try to send something from our scene, which is the general. So as you can see, we already have general displaying. That is one of the video inside general folder displaying. Now let's send the another one from the video, which is blank. Now let's click on general again. Can you see? So without having to touch my laptop, I can control the OBS using my smartphone. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. You can also follow us on various social media platforms. Bye.